Yeah, my beautiful people. DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place. And today, Jano guys, me look like me cool. Jano like me a bleach, guys. Yo, but don't worry about it, guys. You don't have to do the rub dog, you know. Yeah, man. I don't see nature alive, you know. And the cool nature breeze make me look so cool this morning. So don't worry about it. No rubbings. Yeah, man. So this is DJ SWICKED vlogs in the place, guys. Now I mean, all who never yet subscribe to my channel, go and do the right. And I mean, no need to fuss nor fight. You see that? Yeah, man. You know what DJ SWICKED that? If you don't know, just continue to keep like and share up the channel. Yeah, man. You don't know this is a weather vlog. Yeah, man. I mean, I have to keep you updated on what's going on. Going through the smooth time and through the storm. You see me? So we have to keep it right, do the right. So likewise, guys, just do the right, keep share and like. You see me? Leave a comment, you know, guys. Let me say if you do, leave a comment. You remember? Leave a comment, guys. Like and share. Saying, yeah, man. Tell a friend, come over here. You see me? Don't be scared. Hey, trouble. Normal procedure, guys. Love you all, you know. Big up on yourself. Yeah, guys, you don't know, you know, man. A water time today, you know. You see me? Only for rainfall today, guys. See that? Yeah, man. Water for days. Trouble. Couldn't see the rain fall and I try to catch a little vlog. Nah, I mean, matter how short it be. You see that? You know what with that? Water for days. Nah, I hear you. Must be sleeping. All who are asleep, wake up. I will a joke. Rain a fall, I have to go take a nap. See that? Trouble. Must be waking. Alright, now I wake up, you know. See that? Yeah, man, I will heap a plum up on the tree there, you know, but they're not full yet. Yeah, man, soon say plum for days, you know. Every day when you get up, you can pick 2 plum. You see a little water there, you know, I swell them up. Swell them up, swell them up. The plum them a swell up. Yeah, man, you know our vibes today. Yes, I. Sometimes I be a sunshine, you know, so nothing wrong with it. I get a little rainfall, you know. Yeah, man, you have to appreciate it, you see me? Yeah. Normal pray. Water does a fall for days. See that now? Water on the land. More water upon the land. Just go and tilt up the soil and plant couple things. Even banana planting and pumpkin, you have to do a little thing. My brother, you have to do something. Yes. You know Jamaica land bless. Water upon the land, so we have to accept it. Trouble. Upon the fire we have a little pot of bubble. You know what I mean? See that now? Rain in sweet Jamaica, y'all. Go water there on the road out there, so guys. Hope for the rain ease up for me go out there and show me a little pee there, you know, guys. Yeah, man, water there out there roll it, guys. Never lie. Water run like a nothing out there. Good a deal. Imagine how the river supposed to come down right now and I go on. Water run like a nothing. We say water will leap on the land. Me sorry if you own or tilt the land. You better tilt the soil. No ramp with the thing in a booby Nile. You can see how the water run, guys. Water run like River Jordan come down. See what go on, guys. Yeah, man. No water for days, guys. No the pre-go. Yeah, man. Water for days, you know. Water run like River Jordan come down, guys. Wash the whole of the road. And all these things, you know. Yeah, man. Then when rain fall out, I saw it go, you know. Yes, also wash it like crazy. Yeah, guys. You don't know the thing go alone. Water gone down the road. Take time all I dig up the road to see him here, but you know what else then you could pre there when the rain fall already, guys. Can't escape that. Yeah, man. Don't know me just come out and now umbrella I show you guys what I go and see him. Because most of the time I just when sun a shine me a video. So you don't know, I have to just sacrifice and do that little piece of same for you guys, you know. Yes, man. No joke. Feel like this is chicken or pork. Raining on the place. You see me? Guys, I see how the sky look. Dark. Yeah, man. You know, no joke thing, guys. Yeah, man. Rain today. But the rain a fit up the maki there as I can see him. So you see, it's no joke thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Enough things need the water, see him, so. Come like say the greatest thing ever go on for this soil, huh? Yeah, man. But whenever the rain fall, it woke up with bamboo root them. So bamboo them always like fall down also. Yeah, man. See how them woke up, spread away. And then bamboo they straight gone up in the air, you know. Yeah, guys. So those them little thing there, you know. Yeah, man. Just they have to show me a little what going right now in a sweet Jamaica, you know. Yeah, man. Don't know now my real people, you know, so. Now have to just try if you have something to give, you know, at all times, you know. Yeah. Like you can see how the thing go. Sometime coffee, sometime tea, sometime nothing at all, but we have to volley. Chubby! We end up step on little drilling procedure right now, you know. Now I really fall that hard, you know. So you know that thing they go already. Yeah, my beautiful people. But I still have to make you see what I go and see them. Yeah, man. Don't know the rain look like it all go on wicked on night time. Yeah. Like all for the rest of the day, a whole heap of rain. Yeah, man, so don't worry about it, guys. Don't know the thing go. Rain have to fall, you know. Yes, I. Don't know a joy and happiness. You can't do here for sure what go on, you know. Pretty, pretty Jamaica. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, guys. Yeah, man. Sweet, sweet Jamaica, my people. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. Yeah, man. It's a vibes out here, guys. It's a vibes. Yeah, man. See the apple tree there on the water, guys. Nah, man. Yeah, guys, you know the thing already. Whole heap of water upon the land, you know. Me fi tell you, you know, guys. Whole heap of water. Water more than flour. Me say water more than flour. Water more than flour. Yo, you never hear? That one a terrible out here. Water for days. Nah, hear you. Trouble. Whole heap of water upon the land. Whole heap of water upon the land. See that? Farmer them a rejoice and I say more water. See that? Water, guys. Whole heap of water. See that now? Yeah, no. Whole heap of water upon the land, you know. Yeah, no. Whole heap of water upon the land, you know. Water for days, we not gears. Loan water upon the soil. Alone water. Hey, road boy, no bother it, she go till the soil. Only pa kalalu wanted. And only pa lettuce and pop shy too. No bother ram fit till the soil now. And you know the thing it go fit you. Yo, just till this soil, yo. Just till this soil now. You know see a whole heap of rain just a fall now. Go till this soil now. Go till this soil now. Yo, trouble out here no man. Trouble. A heap of water. A heap of water. Come take in a little vlog, yeah. Please subscribe. Nah here. Please like up. Nah here. Please share up. Nah here. Hello, if you never click this subscribe bell, go and click it now. Go and click it now. Go and click it now. If you never click this subscribe bell, go and click it now. DJ SWICKED vlogging at the place. Right, and now a straight love man I bring it. Over on the side of me there you go and sing it. You better listen to me lyrics. Alright then, DJ SWICKED vlogs in at the place. Me I tell you say the weather does a fall and me feel so great. Father God say fi go and holy faith. Holy faith you fi go and holy faith. In a this a time you say we have to elevate. Trouble, DJ SWICKED vlogs in a the place. Nah man. Let me a go and hold it up on this scheme. We no want see no rifle on this scheme. We no want no robbers on this scheme. Neither no go thief on this scheme. Yo, hear me no man go till this soil on this scheme. Yo, nah hear you. Must be sleeping, you better wake up. Come out of that sleep there. What kind of sleep that you are put on? Yo, wake up and you better start run. If you not work for put on, trouble. Yo, that was that nice. The rain a cool down. Trouble. Me don't tell you say we have a little patter bubble. Trouble. Open and hear the rainfall. Normal. Rain. Normal, a lie. Hey, then say, oh no, when you're there in the house them with the zinc tap, you can hear it a sing them sweet tune, you know, guys. Yes, I. Trouble, when you're there in the deck tap, you don't hear nothing. Then that you don't even know if rain will fall. All who see the rain, yeah, just stay in and go and hold it down, shoot out, you know. You know a flute time, then time, yeah. Me say you alone, flute time. So you better stay in, no bother, go outside, go slide and break your spine. Trouble. Water more than flour. Don't bother Allah. Trouble. Me style them different, no bother follow. Think me a talk about rain fi go away. Rain. Fall will leap. Cause right now me a go wrap up on my sheet. Trouble. Big up all who a get a little rainfall here, you know. Big up all who does a see it on the vlog, you know what I mean? Normal.